Good morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine at home. Stay at home, stay safe. Today, once again, I come in the form of this small video. And to begin our class, I would request you to take your book and pencil in hand so that what we discuss now you can go through once again. Go through means revise and learn the things that we discuss just now. It will be great help if you note it down or tick it, underline all those things. So just to begin, I would like to take you back. Have you seen monkeys? Some kind of monkeys. There are so many thousands of kinds of monkeys, and if you see the behavior, the figure, then we are quite similar. Human beings are quite similar to monkeys. After a lot of studies, scientists have come out with the conclusion that human beings also have evolved from the ape like animals, and so our ancestors are apes. Here we are not talking that monkeys have developed into human beings. No, it is not truth. Otherwise, there are so many monkeys nowadays. Most intelligent monkeys are there. They all would have become humans. No, it is the species. It is the species, that means origin, from where a creature was there, and from there different kinds of species have developed. Okay, among the varieties of monkeys have developed. Among them, human beings are also there. So this is the proof that we have the common ancestors, and these common ancestors we are named as the homo means one. Homo means one, or of the same kind, or one kind, and nid, that is origin. Homonid, have come up from the same, from one point. And so hominids is a general term used for all early human ancestors. Early human ancestors. There are different stages. This evolution, I said, from one point we have come up. So we are going to discuss today the different stages of human evolution. I am not going to discuss the whole lesson. We have discussed earlier the definitions and all that, but today I would like to emphasize, especially for those students who have not been able to see the earlier video, and therefore that is the main aim of my interaction today in this video, and emphasize the human evolution, the stages of human evolution. So there are four main stages of human evolution. They are Australopithecus, Homo erectus, Neanderthalus, and Homo sapiens. These are and now we are going to discuss one by one. Number one, Australopithecus. They had both human and ape-like features. Ape means monkeys feature and human features are quite similar. It has only been developed, and so they have got the common features. Like present human beings, they also walk on two legs. They also walked on two legs. That means bipedal. Bi means to, pedal means the feet, and so we have got the bicycle from there. Bicycle, bi means two, cycle means wheel, two cycles carrier. So bipedal, 2 feet, of 2 feet. Both, but this like apes, they had longer arms and small brain. So they had hands are longer and the brain is small. In this kind of features of this kind of first human kind. Second development is Homo erectus. Initially man walked. If you have seen the gradual evolution of the humans, first one was the four-footed. Then it started standing, walking on two legs, but not stood erect, straight. Not stood erect. Erect means straight. And so second evolution, second development that took place was uprightness. The human erect was able to stand erect, straight. They were humans of medium stature, not too tall, not too short. They were of the medium stature. Stature means figure and the height. With evolution, they could stand erect and walked over long distance. They could walk long distance. It's not, and there's like small babies. They walked small distance and then again start with their 4 feet. It's not like that. They walked for long distances. Unlike their predecessor. The predecessors were not bipedal, but they were not walking long distance. What is this predecessor? Predecessors, pre means before. Yeah, pre means before. Cessor means one comes. That means one who came before the predecessor. What is the opposite of a predecessor? Successor. That means one who succeed, one who comes after. Predecessor and successor. Succeeds the one. That one who came earlier. So predecessors. That means Australopithecus. Their brain was larger. The predecessors had a small brain and long arms, remember? And this one had the larger brain. Brain was developed, and then the previous one, that is Australopithecus. The third stage of human evolution was Homo neanderthalis or thalas. Homo means same, Neanderthalensis or the Neanderthalus. That means the same kind of people living in one area. Here it is written Thal means Thal means valley. We have got a Nainital. Nainital is the valley between the places between the two or more mountains, and people live around there. So Tal is a valley. Though some of the features of the Neanderthalers appeared to be similar to modern humans, they were shorter and stockier. They were this kind of people. They were short stature and stockier, means they were stronger, well-built body. Stockier means they had large and long face, large brain and long face. Face also was large wide nose and reduced chin. Chin was reduced. Their skulls were thicker and less rounded at the top than that of modern humans. That is a broad forehead. So their brain size was almost the same as that of the modern humans. Number four stages of human evolution was the Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. That means they are Homo means same size, or sapien means the wise people, the wisdom. They were of the this kind of people have got the more or less the same intellectual capacity. That is the meaning of it. They are considered the more advanced form of humans to which all modern humans beings belong. We all are now, they are developed, and still today we are developing, but our features, physical features and all that things are quite same, but intellectual capacity is growing faster. Today the children are more advanced. They have the capacity of their intellect is more than that of their parents. So that is the meaning of it. So we are still developing, or evolution is going on. It's a process. So their features include smaller teeth and more defined chin, round skull, and an increased size of brain. They have the size of the brain. Today, what is the size of our brain? Okay, we have a kg, or one a kg and a half. If you have bigger brain, bigger size of brain, you are more intelligent, and intellectual capacity is more. That is the physical what call capacity of the brain. There can be exceptions. And so, dear children, these are the 4 stages of human evolution. 4 stages of human evolution, and through this evolution we come to know that it's a process, and still today we are evoluting. Evolution is going on, and so we are developing in different ways. Okay, so this is how we have come to this stage from the 6 million years ago. What was found? It is said that the first man was found in somewhere in Africa. Okay, and then today, so they are our origin place is somewhere in Africa, and Africa was not the present day Africa. It was the huge one land mass, and that particular part of the place we came to the origin place. Why? Because of the geographical features that show today says that these are the conducive places for the evolution of the creatures, the living creatures. That's why it is considered. Next one, there is I am not going to discuss the sources here. We have discussed earlier. Even if you have not done, you go to the sources, that is fossils and bones, cave paintings, and tools and utensils. These are the sources through which we come to know. The last part of this lesson is early life of humans. Or life of early humans is the same. So early life of the people was nomadic. People of early ancient ages, first man human beings, they were nomadics. Nomadics means people move from one place to another for various reasons. One reason is for food, the other reason for shelter, and then third reason is for safety. Food, one place the food get finished, gets over, then they move to other place. Then shelter, to remain. Shelter means remain safe, where you can be safe. Shelter. Then the third one is the for security, or for the climatic region. If it is too hot this region, then they will go to the cooler region, and then different weather conditions, according to that they moved from place to place. So that is the reason. What is that? Food, shelter, and security. Next one, to be safe. This means that they moved from place to place in search of food and shelter. They were basically hunters and gatherers. hunted and gathered food. They did not grow crops. They did not breed. They did not produce. They hunted wild animals and gathered fruits and nuts, the roots later on. They used stone tools. They had no tools, no metallic knowledge, and so they used stone tools. Stone, they found hard thing, and with that they were able to dig the ground or kill the animals. So stone tools were used, and therefore this age, till the age, the period that they use stone tools is known as the Stone Age. Stone Age. Later on we will discuss. They never wore clothes. There were no clothes, and so they lived on caves. The hiding place was cave, and when it was too hot, they lived on the trees. Gradually, they learned to make better tools, which made hunting easier. And so, mainly to be safe, they used these tools to kill wild animals and dig roots, break cracked nuts, and so on. So, they use the stone tools. So this is how we learn today. So now I suppose it is clear that in this lesson there is no difficulty. You can do the question answers easily. If you have any problem regarding any questions, you can call me or send SMS through Tenno. Okay. Stay safe. Bye.